Hey there, it's me, from a traveler around the world. Are you dreaming of a luxurious cruise vacation, but feeling overwhelmed by the choices? Look no further. This video is your ultimate guide to Norwegian Cruise Line, covering everything from choosing the perfect itinerary to maximizing your onboard experience and ensuring a seamless and unforgettable journey. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-timer, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the exciting world of Norwegian Cruise Line. If you're new here, welcome aboard. It's my goal to make it fun and easy to discover, plan, and enjoy unforgettable cruise vacations. Now, before we dive into all the nitty-gritty details about Norwegian Cruise Line, it's important to address the elephant in the room. Why choose Norwegian Cruise Line for your next vacation? Well, in a nutshell, Norwegian Cruise Line offers a unique blend of luxury, freedom, and unforgettable experiences. With a modern fleet of ships, a wide range of itineraries, and a freestyle cruising concept, it is no wonder why Norwegian Cruise Line has become one of the most popular cruise lines in the world. So whether you're looking for a romantic getaway, a family-friendly adventure, or something in between, Norwegian Cruise Line has something for everyone. Now that we have established that, let's get down to brass tacks and talk about how to choose the perfect Norwegian Cruise Line itinerary for your next vacation. Now, this may seem like a daunting task with so many different destinations and cruise lengths to choose from, but fear not, we're here to help. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Start with your dream destination. Norwegian Cruise Line offers a wide range of itineraries from the Caribbean and Mediterranean to Alaska and beyond. Start by identifying the places you want to visit and the type of experience you're looking for. Do you want to relax on pristine beaches, explore ancient ruins, or witness breathtaking natural wonders? Once you've got your dream destination in mind, you can start narrowing down your options. Step 2. Consider your travel style. When choosing a Norwegian Cruise Line itinerary, it's also important to consider your travel style. Are you traveling with family, friends, or as a couple? Do you prefer a more adventurous or relaxing vacation? Norwegian Cruise Line offers a variety of cruise lengths and itineraries to suit all travel styles. For example, if you're traveling with kids, you may want to choose an itinerary with more family-friendly activities and entertainment. If you're looking for a more adult-oriented vacation, you may want to choose an itinerary with more nightlife and fine dining options. Step 3. Factor in the time of year. The time of year you plan to travel can also impact your itinerary choices. Peak seasons can be more expensive, but offer more activities and entertainment options. Shoulder seasons can provide a more relaxed vacation at a lower price, while off-season travel can be the most affordable, but may have fewer things to do. Researching the best time to travel to your dream destination is crucial to ensure that you get the most out of your itinerary. With these factors in mind, you will be well on your way to choosing the perfect Norwegian Cruise Line itinerary for your next vacation. Now that you've chosen your itinerary, it's time to learn the ins and outs of Norwegian Cruise Line to maximize your vacation. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here's what you need to know. First up, understand the Norwegian Cruise Line basics. Norwegian Cruise Line is known for its freestyle cruising concept, which gives you the freedom to customize your vacation experience. Unlike traditional cruises with set dining times and planned activities, Norwegian Cruise Line allows you to dine when and where you want with a variety of restaurants to choose from. You can also choose from a range of onboard activities and excursions to create your own perfect itinerary. This flexibility gives you the freedom to relax, explore, or stay active, all on your own terms. Next, get to know the ship. Norwegian Cruise Line ships are modern and spacious with plenty of activities and amenities to keep you entertained. From multiple pools and hot tubs to a fitness center and spa, there's something for everyone to enjoy. And with a range of restaurants serving up delicious cuisine, you'll never be left hungry. Plus, with multiple bars and lounges, you can find the perfect spot to relax with a drink in hand. Norwegian Cruise Line ships also feature a variety of entertainment options, including Broadway shows, game shows, and live music. Learn about the onboard activities. Norwegian Cruise Line offers a wide range of onboard activities to keep you entertained throughout your cruise. From the free fall simulator and rock climbing wall to the laser tag and bowling alley, there's never a dull moment. You can also take part in cooking classes, wine tastings, and trivia contests. And with the variety of shops and art galleries to explore, you'll find plenty to see and do. Pro tip: don't forget to check out the local culture and cuisine during your port stops. Now that you've got the Norwegian Cruise Line basics down, it's time to talk about how to maximize your onboard experience. Here are some tips to get you started. First up, booking shore excursions. Shore excursions are a great way to explore the different ports of call on your cruise. When booking shore excursions, consider your interests and budget. Researching and reading reviews can help you find the best shore excursions for you. Don't forget to book popular tours in advance to secure your spot. Next, take advantage of onboard dining. Norwegian Cruise Line offers a wide range of dining options, from casual to formal. Take advantage of the free dining venues, such as the buffet and cafe, or splurge on a specialty restaurant for a unique culinary experience. With so many options to choose from, you're sure to find something that satisfies your taste buds. Enjoy exclusive perks. Norwegian Cruise Line offers a range of loyalty programs and cabin perks that can enhance your onboard experience. For example, booking a Haven Suite can give you access to exclusive perks such as a private deck with a pool and hot tub, a concierge, and a chef. If you're a frequent cruiser, consider joining the Crown and Anchor Society, Norwegian Cruise Line's loyalty program, to enjoy exclusive benefits such as priority boarding and discounts on future cruises. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your onboard experience and creating unforgettable memories with friends and family. Before we wrap up our Norwegian Cruise Line 101 guide, let's talk about the essentials you need to pack and the tips and tricks to make your cruise as smooth as possible. First up, packing list. When packing for your Norwegian Cruise Line vacation, consider the activities you plan to participate in and the ports of call on your itinerary. Don't forget to pack sunscreen, comfortable shoes, swimwear, and any other items that will enhance your cruise experience. Here's a pro tip: use packing cubes to keep your luggage organized and make the most of your space. Next, tips for a stress-free cruise. To ensure a stress-free cruise, research travel documentation requirements and make copies of important documents such as your passport and cruise tickets. Pack smart by placing valuables and important items in a carry-on bag to avoid potential theft or loss. Staying connected. Staying connected with friends and family back home is easy with Norwegian Cruise Line's onboard Wi-Fi. Purchase a Wi-Fi package to access the internet and share your cruise experience on social media. And there you have it, folks. We've covered everything from choosing the perfect itinerary to packing smart and staying connected. We hope you feel confident and excited to embark on your own Norwegian Cruise Line vacation. Now, it's time for a final word of advice. Embrace the freedom. The beauty of Norwegian Cruise Line is that it allows you to make your own itinerary and experience the world on your own terms. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. From exploring new destinations to indulging in delicious cuisine and creating unforgettable memories, a Norwegian Cruise Line vacation is sure to exceed your expectations. Get ready to say goodbye to ordinary vacations and hello to extraordinary adventures with Norwegian Cruise Line. Thank you for joining us on this Norwegian Cruise Line 101 journey. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more travel tips and hacks. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your top tips for cruising with Norwegian Cruise Line? Safe travels, happy cruising, and we'll see you on the high seas.